Hello, Riam. I am SUSHANTH, first semester Mechanical Engineering Department. Name of the product chosen for this activity is Smart Clock. Startup company name is Smart Nest. The name of the product is Smart Clock. This is our company logo. Feedback collected during the empathy, mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Customization options needed, frustration with response delays, intuitive and easy to use, prefer simplicity over complexity, wants quick and seamless operation, desires a personalized experience. Define and edit based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customer. Many new features are to be added to the existing product. Feedback to be added. Customer customizing settings for personalization. Faster response time to reduce delays. User-friendly interface for intuitive navigation. Simple setup process with minimal setups. Seamless performance with optimized speed. Personalization options. Smart automation for ease to use, improved reliability for consistent performance, enhanced feedback system to keep users informed in real time. Futuristic product name is Timex. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. As actual working models are not prepared, the testing stage is considered as the positive comments received for the presentation video. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.